Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Dila Handayani Putri. I'm from non-regular class, semester 2, Akpar YPF Bandung. What I'd like to present to you today is effectiveness of beetroot and that juice for treating anemia in pregnancy. Today's topic is of particular interest to those who are experiencing anemia, especially during pregnancy. If you have any question, feel free to interrupt me at any time. My article is titled Effectiveness of beetroot and that juice for treating anemia in pregnancy, and writer is Eni Kurniati, Kismi Asia Aditya, Eka Valentina Tarigan, Elni Arizona Hutagol, and the last Evri Sapitri. And the second slide is and the topic that I will present: first introduction, and the second method, and third result and discussion, and then conclusion, and the last part of speech. And the next slide, introduction. Anemia in pregnancy is a condition where the mother has lower hemoglobin levels, 11 gram per cent in the first and third trimester, or level below 10.5 gram per cent in second trimester. Anemia in pregnant women can have a negative impact on both the mother and the child baby to the born. Anemia increases the risk of bleeding complication antepartum and postpartum, which, if not handled properly, will result in fatal. Because pregnant women with anemia cannot prevent its occurrence, blood loss uh, in the parentheses Ernawati 2017. Anemia is one of the first indirect causes of cases maternal death because anemia is a condition that occurs before or during pregnancy, which is worsened by psychological pregnancy. In the parentheses, Willy Astriana 2017. And the next slide, method. In this research used type of quantitative design with quantitative quasi-experimental research, which present post-test design non-equivalent with control group, namely a study conducted with provide treatment to determine the symptom or effect that arise as a result of the treatment given to compare the result of giving beetroot juice and death in the treatment group were compared with a control group given conventional intervention in reducing anemia in pregnancy. The location chosen as the result location was the Namotrasi Health Center, Saibingai District, Langkat Regency in May 2023. And the next slide. The population in this study were all pregnant women at the Namotrasi Health Center Saibingai District, Langkat Regency in February 2023. Sample in the study there were 56 pregnant women, namely 28 in the intervention group and 28 Control group were taken using purposive sampling technique sampling. Data collection was carried out by collecting secondary data, namely data on pregnant women who were at the Namutrasi Health Center, and then data collection primary care is carried out directly and respondents, including level checks, hemoglobin before and after the intervention, giving beetroot juice 300 gram and 200 gram dates plus enough water to make 215 milliliters blended with the drug, filtered, then bottled and consumed for 2 weeks with administration once per day in the morning by the group. The intervention and control group were given the conventional method, namely tablet consumption FA for 2 weeks, one time per day. And the next slide, result and discussion. First, univariate analysis. Frequency distribution of anemia condition in the control group pretest the majority of pregnant women experienced anemia, namely 24 is 85.7% with a mean of 1.86. And during post-test measurements, the majority still had anemia, namely 23 is 82.1% with a mean of 1.82. There was no significant positive impact on the group control is seen from the mean value. And the second, bivariate analysis. Anemia in pregnancy at Namut Rasio Community Health Center, Saibingai District, Langkat Regency in 2023. The Man Whitney test was carried out on both groups. The result obtained for p-value is 0.000, mean p less than 0.05, stating that juice beets and dates are effective for treating anemia in pregnancy at Community Health Center Namu, Trasi Saibingai District, Langkat Regency in 2023. And the next slide. And the next slide is based on the result of bivariate analysis with the Man Whitney test in both cases. The group obtained result for p-value is 0.000, meaning p less than 0.05. State that beetroot and that juice is effective for treating anemia in pregnancy Namu. Trasi Health Center, Saibingai District, Langkat Regency in 2023. The folate contained in beets is also beneficial for formation red blood. Beetroot is an effective natural remedy for anemia and strengthens body endurance. The folate content in beet is 43 milligram. That contain iron, protein, carbohydrate, and fat can increase hemoglobin level so that it can prevent the occurrence anemia. Iron itself is responsible for the formation of red blood cell and hemoglobin, which is needed to supply oxygen and nutrition to the body of pregnant women and fetuses. in parentheses Rahadian A 2018. And next slide. According to research, assumption in contains iron, protein, carbohydrate, and fat contained in that combined with bits which have folate contain up to 43 mg, which is also very beneficial for formation red blood, which can increase hemoglobin level so that it can prevent occurrence of anemia. There were no significant obstacles encountered during research because workers and respondents were quite cooperative in help carry out research. And the next slide is conclusion. The frequency distribution of anemia in the present control group was mostly pregnant women experiencing anemia, namely 24 is 85.7% with a mean of 1.86 and measurement at post-test, the majority still experienced anemia, namely 23 is 82.1% with a mean of 1.82 not occur significant positive impact on the control group seen from the main value. Distribution the frequency of anemia in the pretest intervention group was mostly experienced by pregnant women. Anemia was 25 is 85.7% with a mean of 1.86 and the majority of mothers measured at post-test pregnant women did not experience anemia, namely 19 is 67 and 9% with a mean of 5.332. Based on average value, it can be concluded that there was a significant positive impact in the intervention group. Get beetroot and dead juice to reduce the frequency of pregnant women experiencing anemia drastically reduced compared to the pretest for Bifferet analysis. The Mann-Whitney test was carried out on both groups. The result obtained where p-value is 0.000, meaning p less than 0.05, states that beetroot and that juice is effective for treating anemia in humans pregnancy at the Namotrasi Community Health Center, Saibingai District, Langkat Regency 2023. And the next slide is part of space. First is known juice, beetroot, dates, public health center, hemoglobin, water, drug, bottle, tablet drug, folate, Fa, protein, carbohydrate, fat, oxygen, and the last nutrition. And the second, for prevent if use now compare filtered mixed overcome be measured help taking gather service do giving added consummate treat increase and the last overcome. And then conjunction is or if as and the next slide uh in the next slide. Thank you. Are there any question? If you have any question you'd like to ask, I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, if there are no questions, I'll finish the presentation. I hope what I say can be understood and is useful for everyone. Thank you everyone and good afternoon and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.